Hello everybody and welcome back to the Vac Mat. Today we're going to be starting off a new little series of things you would not normally vacuum or clean, but they need to be cleaned. Today we are going to be looking at the sofa. Now we spend up to 3 hours a day on our sofas, up to 3 hours sitting on them, lounging on them, and sometimes even our pets are on them. You get crisps down the side, money down the side, and think about how often you clean them. It makes for some grim thoughts. But today we're going to be showing you how to deep clean your sofa, and I'm going to be showing you what we pick up out of our sofa with the Dyson V11. Now this V11 is perfect for cleaning the sofa as it transforms to a handheld. With its mini motorised brush bar, it's ready to deep clean whatever life throws at it. Let's get going and let's see what filth we can remove. Before we get going, I am going to show you what products we're going to use in case you want to replicate me or copy me. You can get the Dyson V11, and this is what I will be using today with the mini motorised head. And there is a full review on this on my YouTube page if you want to go and see how this machine is all round. And I'll give you a little hint, it's a very good vacuum. We're also going to be using dew air and fabric, which is perfect because rather than masking odours, it kills the bacteria, cleans the surface and gets rid of odours. So rather than having that cotton smell for a few hours and then it dies down, this will kill any pet odours and leave your fabric fresh. Okay, so first things first is with the Dyson V11 and the mini motorised tool, we are thoroughly vacuuming the cushions. Now leave them on for this, and then after we've done one side with stripes to make sure we cover every area, we're going to flip them over, do the sides and do the underneath. Let's get going. Now we are on to the next side, so let's get this done. And as you can already see, we're already picking up a bit of dirt, which shows just how much these can harbour when we're only a tiny bit through. Okay, so now we're going to pull up the cushion and get under this and around the edges, and then we'll be doing the underside of the cushion, flipping the cushion to extend your life of the sofa. Okay, so it's so important to clean the main area, but it's also important to clean where you can't see, as this is where the pounds will be harbouring. So if you want to earn yourself a bit of money while cleaning, this is how to do it. So you can pop off the mini motorised tool on the V11, just like so, and we're going to clip on the crevice tool. Now this will allow us to go around the edges and get this all deep cleaned. Let's see what treasures are hidden down here. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like I've found any money down the back of mine. Not to worry though, I'm sure I'll find some in the other ones. Something you should always do to extend the life and wear of your sofa is to flip the cushions on rotation. So down here, this is the side of which I was sitting on. So now I'm going to flip this over and we are going to put it on the closed down side and vacuum this side now. So now that's done, what this allows is for the sofa to be nice and bouncy again, rather than having a flat and soggy kind of cushion. Back cushions off now. We're going to, first before we vacuum them, we're going to throw them onto the floor. Top tip is to throw your cushions on the floor because this kind of evens out all the foam inside of them and gives them that nice flat but bouncy look again. Once you've thrown them down on the floor, then you can vacuum them on both sides. swap them around and get back on your sofa. Okay, so let's see what was harbouring in that small sofa. This was just from one of them, and you can see all of that filth there. Now on to the final step, and I'd always recommend doing this with a window or door open. Speeds up the drying time, which will only be a few minutes, and just gives some ventilation, is to just blast it down with some of this dew fabric, and it just freshens it up, removes any bacteria off it, any dog odours, and generally kills any viruses on it, which is so important if you're having guests around at this time.
Yes, that is very true.
Lovely.